has been broken time and time before. I loved you, chose you for a million reasons, but you hurt me, broke me through the seasons. I stitched my heart so many nights. Why do you have to be so cruel? Oh, why? Hurting me was easy, easy as the breeze. Why doesn't loving me come just as free? Oh, I loved you, I want to love you again and again. My mind wants to, but my heart refuses. Oh, what did you do? What have you done? What have you done to it? What have you done to my heart? Where were you during the vows we said? It feels like you were somewhere else instead. Seems like you forgot every word, every line. And sometimes that fear crept into my mind. I gave myself excuses, maybe you were lost. I pray to have you back at any cost. I want those happy memories